You ever sit down to study, but somehow, 30 minutes later, you're watching random YouTube shorts or scrolling Instagram? Yeah, been there. But here's the thing, your phone isn't the problem, how you use it is. So today I'm giving you 4 powerful apps that will actually help you study, not waste your time. And listen, I'm not promoting any app here, I'm just sharing what works. Stick around till the end, because I've got a bonus tip that top students swear by. App number 1, Forest. Let's be real, most of us have zero self-control when it comes to our phones. That's where Forest comes in. Here's how it works. You plant a virtual tree, and it grows as long as you don't touch your phone. But if you pick it up to check Instagram, your tree dies. Feels bad, right? Studies show that just one notification can make you lose focus for up to 23 minutes. Forest forces you to stay in the zone and actually get work done. App number 2, Notion. If your study notes are scattered across 100 different places, you need Notion. It's basically a second brain. You can store notes, make to-do lists, track assignments, and even create revision schedules. Pro tip, use ready-made templates to save time instead of wasting hours setting things up from scratch. And yeah, it's free for students. App number 3, Anki, memorize faster. Ever read a chapter, feel confident, and then forget everything the next day? That's because your brain is designed to forget. Anki fixes that using spaced repetition. It shows you smart flashcards right before you're about to forget them, which helps you retain info 200% better. Fun fact, medical students swear by this app because it literally forces your brain to remember. App number 4, Speechify, study without reading. Now, what if I told you that you don't even need to read to study? That's where Speechify comes in. It converts your textbooks and notes into audio, so you can study while walking, working out, or even lying in bed. Research shows that listening while visualizing improves understanding by 29%. So next time you're too lazy to read, let Speechify do the work. Your phone can either help you study or completely ruin your focus. The choice is yours. Which of these apps will you try first? Comment below. And if you want more game-changing study hacks, hit that subscribe button right now. Now go, study smarter.